Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make delicious and crispy fried yams. I will start by cutting the yam. Peel the yam and slice them into your desired size. Transfer the sliced yams inside water to prevent them from turning brown until you're ready to use it. Once everything is done, strain it out. I'll be seasoning the yams with salt, turmeric powder, which will take these fried yams to another level of deliciousness. Mince to combine everything together. Allow the yams to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to help the seasonings to penetrate inside the yams. Next, in a pan, add some oil and start heating it up. Once the oil is hot, I'll flavor the oil with onions, add the cut yams, and fry them on a medium heat. I'll add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. This is going to help the yam to be moist inside while it is crispy outside. From time to time, give it a nice stir so they can fry nicely without getting burnt. Once the fried yams become crispy, take them out of the hot oil, transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the fried yams, and repeat this process until you are done. To make the sauce, I'll be using peppers, garlic, tomatoes, onions. I'll clean them up and slice them. I'll be taking out the seed from the tomatoes, and this is totally optional. Cut the bell peppers and remove the seed and slice them as well. Slice the onions, and that is done. In a pot, add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in sliced onions. Give it a stir and fry the onions for about 2 minutes. I'll crush in the garlics. and stir. Add the tomatoes, peppers, and stir. Cover and leave it to cook for some time. In a bowl, I will crack in some eggs, the sauce is been cooking now for a while. I will check it if it's well fried, and at this point the sauce is nicely fried. I'll season with season powder, turmeric powder, and stir. I'll add the eggs without whisking it. Season with salt. Cover and leave it to cook. After 5 minutes, I will check. And at this point, the eggs are not yet cooked. I will just gently stir and break the eggs a bit. Cover and leave it to cook until it is ready. Once the sauce is ready, I'll add in basil leaves. Taste it, adjust the seasoning if needed. At this point, this egg sauce smells amazing, it looks amazing, and the sauce is ready. And I will serve. The fried yam was very crispy outside while it is moist inside. And this fried yams and egg sauce was very, very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.